Unraveling the Meaning, Silenced. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are diving deep into the word, silenced. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it in various contexts. So, let's get started. Silenced is the past tense and past participle form of the verb silence. It means 1. To stop someone from speaking or from making noise. 2. To put an end to noise, sounds, or disturbances. Example, the teacher silenced the class with a stern look. There's more to silenced than just its direct meaning. Let's explore its deeper implications in various contexts. Societal context. When someone is prevented from expressing their opinions, beliefs, or feelings, they can be said to be silenced. Example, many brave journalists have been silenced for speaking the truth. Technological context. Sometimes, devices make sounds or alarms that need to be turned off. Here, silenced means to turn off the sound. Example, I silenced my phone during the meeting. Emotional context. It can be used metaphorically to describe feelings or thoughts that have been subdued or repressed. Example, her doubts were silenced after seeing the evidence. Silenced is also used in a few phrases and idioms, such as 1. Silenced forever refers to someone who has passed away or has been killed. 2. Silence is golden. This phrase means that sometimes it's better to remain quiet than to speak. Example, after the loud concert, they appreciated the old saying that silence is golden. There you have it. We've uncovered the various layers of the word silenced, from its basic definition to its profound use in different scenarios. Remember, language is more than just words. It's about understanding the deeper implications and meanings. We hope you found this explainer video useful, and now you'll be more confident in using the term silenced in your conversations. Keep learning and stay curious.